There are many ways to factorize a given polynomial, and one of them is by grouping terms. Look at this example. pq squared minus pq plus rq minus r. How do we factorize it? If there were 3 terms, we could have probably tried splitting the middle term to use the first or the second identity. But we have 4 terms in this case. This is where grouping terms can help us. Let us group these 2 terms and these 2 terms. So we write pq squared minus pq as one group and plus rq minus r as the second group. From the first group, the term pq is common to both the terms. So we write it as pq multiplied by q minus 1. As r is common to both the terms of the second group, we write it as r multiplied by q minus 1. Now observe this expression. Q minus 1 is common to both the terms. So we write the expression as q minus 1 multiplied by pq plus r. So these are the 2 factors of this polynomial, q minus 1 and pq plus r. Why did we form groups in such a manner? Is this the only way to form groups in this polynomial? The answer is no. It can be done in different ways. Say we group these 2 terms and these 2 terms. We write it as pq squared plus rq plus minus pq minus r. Observe that we formed different groups this time. In the second group, both terms have a negative sign, and hence the expression can be written as pq squared plus rq minus pq plus r. In the first group, the variable q is common to both the terms and can be written as q multiplied by pq plus r. In the second group, there is nothing that is common. So we write it as 1 multiplied by pq plus r. Now in this expression, the binomial pq plus r is common to both the terms. So we write this expression as pq plus r multiplied by q minus 1. It is the same as this expression. But sometimes some pairs do not work. In this case, if you would have taken these 2 as a group, you wouldn't have been able to factorize it. So basically, you just have to solve the problem by choosing the correct pairs as groups. I showed you 2 ways to do it, but you just have to solve it any one way. We will see another example next.